Class 10, exercise number 3.13. Determine the nature of the roots for the following quadratic equation. Here we want to find the nature of the roots, means we have three natures of roots. That is, the discriminant is greater than 0, that is real and unequal roots. If the discriminant equal to 0 means we have real and equal roots, and discriminant less than 0 means no real roots. Let's see one by one. First we compare this equation with this quadratic equation, standard form of quadratic equation. So in the place of A is equal to 15, in the place of B is equal to 11, and then C is equal to 2. We know the formula for discriminant. So discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC, right? You have to apply the value in that place BAC, right? So in that place B is 11 square minus 4 into 15 into 2, right? 11 square is 121, 11 11s are 121, 4 into 15 is 60, 60 into 2 is 120. So 121 minus 120 is equal to 1 is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0 means real and unequal roots. Unequal roots, right? Next we see the Roman number 2. X square minus x minus 1 equal to 0. Compare this equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In the place of a is equal to 1. In the place of b is equal to minus 1. And then c is equal to minus 1. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is the formula, right? So in the place of b is minus 1 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to 1, c is equal to minus 1. A is equal to 1 and c is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is we get plus 1, right? Minus 1 into 1 is plus 1. Here we have minus, here also we have minus, minus into minus plus. 4 ones are 1, again 4 ones are 1, 4. So 5 is greater than 0. So here also it has a real and unequal roots. Let's see the third Roman number. Root 2 into t square minus 3 into t plus 3 root 2. Compare this equation with bx plus c equal to 0. In the place of a is equal to root 2 coefficient of x, right? That is t here. And then b is equal to coefficient of t is minus 3, and then constant term c is equal to 3 root 2, right? Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is the formula. Now in the place of b is equal to minus 3 whole square minus 4 into a is equal to root 2 and b is equal to 3 root 2. 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 is plus, right? Minus into minus is plus, 3 square is 9. Negative with even power means we get always positive value, right? 9. Here we have minus 4 3s are 12. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 12 into 2 is 24. When we subtract this, we get minus 15. So highest number is negative, so we put minus 15. The minus 15 is clearly less than 0. We know that clearly less than 0 means the discriminant less than 0, no real roots, right? So no real roots. Now we see the question Roman number 4. 9y square minus 6 root 2 into y plus 2 equal to 0. ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Quadratic equation. Compare this equation. Here a is equal to 9. B is equal to minus 6 root 2, minus 6 root 2, C is equal to 2. Discriminant is equal to, we know the formula B square minus 4AC, right? Then B place is minus 6 root 2 whole square minus 4 into A is 9 and then C is 2. Now minus 6 root 2 into minus 6 root 2, right? When we multiple minus into minus plus, 6 6 are 36. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So 36 into 2 is 72 minus 4 9s are 36. 36 into 2 is 72. So the discriminant is equal to 0 means real and equal roots, roots. That is the discriminant is equal to 0 means we have the real and equal roots. That is the form. Next is see the Roman number 5. 9a square b square into x square. Here x is the variables. We consider x as a variables, remaining all, or we take it as some real numbers, right? So here ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. In the place of a is equal to 9a square b square. That is the coefficient of x square, right? 9a square b square. And then in the place of b, the coefficient of x. Except x, the remaining terms will be how to take minus 24 a b c d. And then c is equal to 16 c square d square. Now discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac is the formula. Now apply the values of abc. Minus 24 abcd whole square minus 4 into a value is 9a square b square, and then c value is 16 c square d square. Now minus, when you have the negative with the even power means we get positive value only. Now a square b square c square d square, when we square the terms we get all the terms should be squared. Now 24 into 24 is, now multiple here, 24 into 24 is 4 4s are 16, 6 remainder 1, 4 2s are 8, 96, right? And then 2 24s are 48, 6 7 remainder 1 5, 76, right? And then minus, see we want to multiply this all, 4 9s are 36, 36 into, here we have the number 16, and then remaining terms a square b square c square d square as it is. So 6 6 are 36, 6 remainder 3, 6 3s are 18 plus 3, 216, and then 136 are 36. So we have 6 7, and then sum of this number is 5. So again we have that 576 a square b square c square d square. Here also the same number, so both we get 0. So the discriminant equal to 0 means it has real and equal roots. Okay? That is the answer. Thank you, students.